Wow, it is hot in here is never something you want to hear your transmission say. So what is that stock transmission cooler valve still doing in your truck? The problem with the stock unit is the unreliable valve that can often stick or fail completely in the closed position, allowing for hot fluid to flow back into the transmission. So we came up with a cool solution, the XDP transmission cooler thermal bypass valve upgrade. This upgraded TBV gives you the peace of mind that your 2013 to 2018 6.7 liter Dodge Cummins transmission is comfortable in its case. This valve doesn't allow for hot fluid to return to the transmission, reducing fluid restriction and lowering transmission temperatures. The TBV is a direct replacement part. We even provide new O-rings and quick connect fittings to avoid future leaks. These additional parts also allow for use on the 6.8 RFE and Ison AS69RC transmission applications. A cool transmission will last significantly longer than one that's consistently overheated. So save yourself the headache of getting stuck on the side of the road and that mile-long repair bill. To check out the TBV upgrade and all the other ways to keep your truck cool, visit xdp.com or contact your local dealer.